Ang pag-usapan po natin ngayon guys, ang itong To The Smart. Guys, gusto ko pong matutunan nyo kung paano ito makakumikita at makapag-invest. Guys, ito po ang claim na ng miners na sa pagkakahalaga ng 10 USD. So, ito po yun guys, ang available na yung Minimast Wallet. Kailangan natin mag-invest dito sa Minimast Wallet guys, by investor and user. Disclaimers po sa social media at ayan po ang bali guys, ito po ang white paper To The Smart na makikita po natin sa contract at marami pong users ang ROI at dito natin makikita ang members total, transaction made and turnover BUSD, daily returns, APR, remining and bonus. Dito natin makikita guys kung dito makikita ang earning natin guys at dito po natin makita ang time pool. Time pool guys, if there are no purchase of miners in the amount of $50 or more within the hour after you then enter the amount of pool. Time pool in automatically be created table to the wallet. This is guaranteed by the smart contract. Buy miners contract and buy miners 50 maximum. Remining and selling my tokens, my rewards. For each remining will receive a 5% bonus. For each withdraw, you will pay a 5% tax on the miners you have. Dito makikita si remining and sell token. Dito natin makikita si Ambassador Program. Ito si Ambassador Program guys. Dito natin makikita si unlock your level. Minimum buy miners when buying miners when selling miners token. 1 level is 100 BUSD is 5%. 2 levels, 250 BUSD, 4%. And 3 levels, 500 BUSD is 3%. At dito natin makikita guys, si 5 level, si 6 level, and 7 level. Referral rewards. Your referral rewards will be sent straight to the wallet and you don't have to withdraw it. We will referral link, then makikita natin dito guys, i-click mo lang yung referral rent and copy. Transaction buy and sell. This is Ambassador Program guys. Dito makita natin si Community Social Network. Dito natin makikita ang channel, chat, and Twitter. At dito na yun guys. At regarding po ito ng To The Smart guys. At i-claim nyo na lang po ang platform pag available na si Minimast Wallet. At ito yun guys, and To The Smart at makikita ang economy. Ito po yung economy guys na profit with 5% daily. So, ito po yun guys, calculation of purchase of miners. Buy BUSD amount plus contract of balance equals working time market mine token. Mine token amount guys is working time. Ito na yun guys at pwede tayong makapag-earn ng 5% to the currency value of the miners daily. Guys, ito yung mga calculation niya guys. At dito natin makikita ang pre-miners 10 plus 50 equals 60. Ito yun guys, ang every member can get free miners of 10 BUSD and check how the system works, but is reminders what is the withdraw future will not be able until the minimum purchase of 50 BUSD miners is made. Dito rin makikita guys ang anti-kit function. Dito natin makikita guys si time pool. Ito si time pool guys. Makita natin si time pool. At dito natin makikita kung ito yun si time pool guys. Example, the total of turnover is a purchase to sell is 100,000 BUSD means the 100 BUSD will calculate on the time pool contract balance is no one brought more miners within 1 hour your purchase, then 1,000 BUSD will be automatically sent to your wallet address. This will be an excited race. Check your current contract balance and by clicking the balance time pool. At dito natin makikita guys si commission. Si commission guys is 6%. 6% guys. A commission 6% is charged for every purchase of the miners of mine token. 5% dev commission for project development, 1% full-time, a prize fund for which all participants complete. Also, a 5% commission will be charged on available miners which each sale of mine token. This is an additional mechanism of protection against the wheels, which makes a system more balanced, even more balanced. You need to keep this in mind with the development your miners strategy. Dito natin makikita guys strategy. Si strategy guys may tax on miners percent, inflation, strategy game, BNC Smart Chain Network and commission. Dito natin makikita guys si tax on a miners percent. It's not a profitable strategy to sell mine token every day. Since it sells reduce the number of your miners by 5%, use the reminers future to earn more. To the smart uses the unique inflation model for the cost of miners, which depend on the amount of miners in the market, and the contract balance will mean that over the time miners decrease in value. Just like 6 for Bitcoin minings, for example, thus you need to use reminers future in the orders of increase and income to keep a farm income within acceptable range for you. Ito yun guys, si strategy. At ito ang mga token guys na dito natin makikita si miners remind para ka makakuha ng malaking kita. At dito rin ang makikita si 1,000 guys na miners. At dito rin natin makikita guys kung makakuha ka ng 1,000 miners guys. At dito na tayo sa strategy game. Dito natin makikita sa remind guys na hello guys, dito po sa future plans guys, dito po makikita natin join dito ang smart. Kailangan ang minimast wallet guys for the investor and user. Disclaimers and social media at iyan po guys bali ito po ang white paper guys, ang yung white paper to the smart at iba pang kailangan ng contracts to the smart. At marami na pong users sa ROI and time pool. Dito po yun natin makikita guys, ang ROI guys. Your referral rewards will be sent straight to the wallet and you don't have to withdraw it. We will referral link, then makikita natin dito guys, i-click mo lang referral rent and copy. Transaction buy and sell. This is ambassador program guys. Dito makita natin si Community Social Network. Dito natin makikita ang channel, chat, and Twitter. At dito na yun guys. At regarding po ito ng to the smart guys. At ito po ang masabi ko guys na do your own research